Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and today we're gonna show you how to make these delicious Hyderabadi dish called Dum Ke Roat. They are soft, crispy and delicious. Let's begin. Now we're gonna show you the ingredients used to make this. And if you're having a little confusion, you can take a screenshot of the ingredients on the screen. So let's begin. First, you will be needing 1 cup of semolina or rava, 1 cup of sugar, 1/3 cup of milk, 2 tablespoons of coconut powder, 5 cardamoms, 1.5 teaspoon of baking soda, 1.5 cup of all-purpose flour, some sticks of saffron, orange food color, 1 cup of pure ghee or clarified butter, 20 grams of almonds, and a few chopped almonds and cashew nuts for garnish and decoration, 20 grams of cashew nuts, and 20 grams of raisins. Now let's begin. First, I'm going to be grinding. I'm going to be using this jar of grinder. As you can see, there's sugar in there. I have grinded sugar to make it powder. So I'll be putting the almonds, cashew nuts, and coconut powder with the cardamoms, and I'll be grinding it. It's perfectly powdered. Now I'll be adding all the dry ingredients first. And I'll also be adding the grinded powder. I'll be giving it a good mix. I will be adding the baking soda, the clarified butter or ghee. Give it a good mix. As you can see, it's turning doughy. And now I'll be adding milk. Before that, I'll be adding some saffron sticks and food coloring in the milk. The milk should be warm. Give it a good mix and pour it in. Add the raisins and give it a good mix. After giving it a good mix, cover it with a wet damp cloth for 1 hour. Until then, I'll be cleaning the mess around me. Now it's been 1 hour, and you can see that our dough is perfectly soft and moist. If your dough is not moist and it's hard, you must add a little bit of more milk to make it soft. It's time to make them now. Before that, I'll be taking this oven tray, and on this you must be adding butter paper. It will be way better. But since we don't have butter paper, we'll be coating it with butter. This will be to prevent the dum ke roat from sticking on the oven tray. And remember to keep even gaps between each of them because they spread while baking. But before placing them in the oven, you must preheat the oven for 10 minutes at 160 degrees Celsius temperature. And then bake them for 20 minutes at 150 degrees Celsius heat. Now it's time to show for those who like to make this on a pan. And I've also taken a lid of the rice utensil here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to be coating this with butter. Place them like this, and I'm also going to leave gaps. And then place the middle plate on the preheated pan for 15 to 20 minutes on low flame. Now I'll be adding the garnish. Place it in the oven. And I kept it on two sides heating, up and down. I've also kept another slot. And now it's time to place this on the pan and cover it from the top completely. They are done now. As you can see, they are perfect. They are very perfect. I'll be showing you how soft and crispy they are. Look at that. It's soft and crispy and it smells amazing. And this is how the ones that were on the pan turned out. You notice that it's a big brown because I forgot to off it on time and I left it for an extra 10 minutes, which caused them to get brown. But they are also soft and crispy. From Hyderabad, you will know Subhan Bakery. You will forget them after eating this. You can now make it for yourself and serve it also to your relatives. Please like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.